The son of Iran's late supreme leader, has been appointed as the new supreme leader, after his father was killed in US and Israeli airstrikes. In response, US President Donald Trump called the move unacceptable, while Israel's military labeled the new leader a potential target. Israeli Aerospace Industries has offered India its OPSA 550 microsatellite, featuring dual payloads with both electro-optical and synthetic aperture radar sensors. The plan includes a locked orbit satellite and potential local production in India. India's Ministry of Defence has issued an RFP to upgrade 74 Jaguar strike aircraft to integrate the next-generation close combat missile and a helmet-mounted display system, boosting short-range air combat. Green Aero has completed a long-endurance test of its 400-Newton Micro-Turbine engine for next-gen drones and unmanned systems. Designed from scratch, it offers multi-fuel capability, advanced turbomachinery, and metal additive manufacturing. That marks a key step in India's indigenous propulsion development for future unmanned combat platforms. An expression of interest has been issued for the development of a semi-submersible autonomous vessel, designed for long-endurance intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance missions, with a focus on anti-submarine warfare. It would operate with a low acoustic signature, carry sonar and communication sensors, and enhance maritime domain awareness in the Indian Ocean region. Tata Advanced Systems has unveiled a 30mm Crewless turret on the WHAP 8x8 armored platform that includes a 30x165mm autocannon, a coaxial 7.62mm gun, and options for anti-tank guided missiles and grenade launchers, AI tracking, laser rangefinders, and 360-degree rotation. While Safran has been selected to jointly develop the 120 kN engine for the AMCA Mark II program, Rolls-Royce has once again reaffirmed its commitment to co-develop a next-generation combat aircraft engine with India, with full design transfer, ensuring that all intellectual property developed remains in Indian hands. The DRDO is developing a next-generation photonic radar that relies on laser-based optical systems, replacing conventional electronic signal generation. This advanced technology is being tailored for the later blocks of the AMCA Mark II, that promises dramatically higher resolution, a wider bandwidth, and stronger immunity to electronic jamming compared to traditional radars. The CEO of Dassault Aviation, Eric Trappier, has said that the company is working to finalize a contract for 114 Rafale F4 Plus jets by the end of 2026 for India, featuring advanced avionics, enhanced electronic warfare, and improved weapons integration. CEO Eric Trappier confirmed that over 60% of the jets will be made in India under Make in India. The deal may also offer an option for future Rafale F5 jets, which would include even more advanced capabilities like manned-unmanned teaming and the new more powerful M88 T-Rex engine. India's indigenous nuclear-powered attack submarine under Project 75 Alpha is facing major delays, with commissioning now expected around 2036. Though the CCS approved the first two submarines in 2024, delays persist due to supply chain challenges, technological hurdles, and funding constraints. Keel laying may start around 2028, but sea trials are unlikely before 2033. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.